Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I had a question come through by email about SSD drives, and it's a question about the data on SSD drives. The viewer has seen reports that SSD drives, when unplugged, will slowly lose the data at some point in time. And so this is true. SSD drives, solid state drives, use a way of retaining electrons on the memory chip to keep data. And what happens is that the charges that keep that in place will slowly leak. So that means that a solid state drive is not a good way of keeping data for long periods of time when unplugged. So the question was, is there a way to maintain a solid state drive data? And so, yes, there is. What is recommended is that if you have a solid state drive that is unplugged, that contains a backup, for example, it is recommended that you plug the solid state drive on a computer once every 6 months. Why? Because that lets the controller look at the drive, look at the data, and if any parts of the drive where maybe some of the electrons leaked, what happens is that the drive will rewrite the data to refresh the electric currents. So, in fact, making all the data back to a good state where it will be maintained for a while. So that is the recommendation: plugging in a solid state drive on a PC once every 6 months for about 1 or 2 hours. This lets the solid state drive fix itself because the controller can see where the data might need to be refreshed, and then you're good for another 6 months. If you are keeping data on a solid state drive, remember that these don't last forever. If you never plug them in, you will lose your data at some point. That is why a lot of backups are still made on good old magnetic drives with the platters and all, because the data on these drives actually is good for years without any problems, which is not the case on solid state drives, as they're losing their charge slowly over time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.